Hey guys, I'm Rachel, and today we're gonna be trying one of the coolest new beauty trends, magnetic lashes, and I swear to God, they're gonna change your life. And here to help me try it is the wonderful Ana Marie Rizzieri.
You're gonna love this. No glue.
Amazing.
Okay, so this is super cool, super easy, and it just gives you that extra drama that you need.
Love the drama.
And we're gonna put that right onto your lash line. And I'm just gonna kind of give it a little push in there. And then I'm gonna take the bottom and then open your eye. Perfect. You're gonna feel them. And there you go.
Oh my gosh, it feels like they're not even there. I can't believe that that just took 2 seconds.
2 seconds, and they just give you that nice drama. And it doesn't even look like you're wearing, like, I mean,
yeah, they still feel
lashes.
natural. With the glue, it probably takes me 30 minutes to put on just one eye, and this was probably 30 seconds.
And then what about the mess?
Yes, no mess, life-changing.
Awesome. Okay, let's do the other eye.
Yes.
And again, you just put the first one on your upper lash line, and then the second one goes right on the bottom. You just click them, and they magnetically just...
Ooh, I felt it just like kind of
that.
snap
Did
together.
You feel it?
Yeah.
I want you to feel the magnet.
Yeah.
This is a great glam look. It's great for quick pick-me-up.
Yes.
We all love a lash.
Thank you so much.
Did I keep it
fun.
easy?
Yes.
Alrighty.